Good morning, day 7, I think, 8. Hell, I forgot. But here's our, we stayed in another B&B called the Wildflower in Mountain View. There's mountains all around us. Got this room, got a little kitchenette, got a setting room back up that way with another sink in it. Bathroom's over here, and we got it upstairs with another queen, I think, a full size upstairs. But we didn't share it. Theirs over there on the other side of the wall. So, Wildflower. Yeah, we finna go eat breakfast. Run that intro. Hey, day 7, 8, I don't know. But do you know that Elvis is inducted in 5 Hall of Fames?
Can you name them?
Rock and roll, gospel, country, R&B, and rockabilly.
Rockabilly has a Hall of Fame.
I didn't know that, but now we do. I don't know where it's at. But yeah, Elvis has sold over 1 billion records. You know what he bought? Do you know how much he bought Graceland for?
Not much.
100,000 to 102,500. $102,500 in 1957.
My parents used to live right down the street.
Now you do. Let's get on the road. Go see Elvis. All right, here we go on day 8, I think. We headed to Memphis. Oh. Alright, folks. Maybe I think it's my cord going from my mic to my camera that's doing the popping and crackling and in and out, hopefully. Anyway, this is another one of Mr. McStache's famous shortcuts. Another swinging bridge, suspension bridge. Let's go.
Going again?
Yeah.
Are you sure you want to go again?
Well,
You're not scared? We can go back and ride the dirt road. Okay, go this way. Alright.
you probably could have pulled off right there. There's steps. No, this is one of them. It don't move. The barbecue grill. I'll check those. Play your old car. get through Memphis. Whew. Yeah, it's not the best area to be down in here. I don't. Hey, Graceland's right in the, yeah. It's south of Memphis, but this is the bad side. So, oh, nothing gets stolen. And anyway, 600 yards. We're gonna be turning right on unnamed road. It's hot. How hot is it? All this road's 88 degrees. Hey, we turn down here, don't we? A damn pickup truck wanted to run over us. So that was over there.
Johnny Ray among them come up out of nowhere to be overnight very big stars. This young fellow we saw for the first time while making a movie short, we think tonight that he's going to make television history for you. We'd like you to meet him now, Elvis Presley, and here he is.
Couldn't record inside, so I just took pictures. Enjoy it. Well, hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about it?
Well, I think the man spent a lot of money. He done right by his parents and by his friends, so I say top notch.
We give them 2 thumbs up.
Welcome aboard Elvis Airlines.
If you know this is the top.
Oh, geez. Is it the pilot? We're in trouble.
Watch your step, don't play Biden. Yep, my imitation of him.
Scan your tickets, please.
Well, they are checking.
Ah.
We were just saying that you could just walk in here and nobody said anything.
Right here on the big one.
Ooh, it's air conditioning.
Oh, this feels good. I'm gonna scan your ticket. There we go, got it. Thank you.
As you can imagine, Elvis was a great friend to travel with, and many trips in the Lisa Marie were unplanned. One trip included a flight to Colorado when Elvis realized his daughter Lisa Marie had never seen snow. So off they went. Lisa played in the Colorado snow for a few minutes, and then it was back on board for the flight home. Now you've moved into a luxurious lounge area. This is where everyone gathered to watch movies, play games, or just to talk and laugh. All the chairs throughout the aircraft are done in suede, leather, tweed, and velvet. You'll notice that chairs are covered in leather. At the end, be sure to check out those seatbelts. They're fitted in 24-karat gold. Now, and the Elvis and the Lisa Marie. Two phones are located at the end of this room. The black ones are located in this room. The white phone allows Elvis or passengers to call anywhere in the world during flight. By a push of a button, this same phone could also be used as a PA system to talk to everyone on board the aircraft. Your next stop, the sitting room. Then all they had to do was report the streets until it was time to land. Next stop, Elvis's bedroom. The car to the left. In this room, you can play cards, listen to the stereo with headphones, or simply have a quiet conversation. However, this room does have a secret. If someone was tired from a day's journey, they could remove the cushions from the sofa and make a full-size bed. Then all they had to do was pull the curtain and snooze until it was time to land. Next stop, Elvis's bedroom. This room is decorated with blue suede. Queen-size bed was designed specifically for this room on the Lisa Marie. The seatbelt on the bed is a standard FAA rule. To the left, notice the blue chair. And the wall is a pull-out desk so Elvis could be in comfort. Elvis, you might not know, was an avid reader. He always carried a trunkload of books wherever he went. And this trunk was always carried in the main cabin of the plane. At the tail end of the aircraft is Elvis's half bath. It looks much like the guest bathroom, except it's larger and done in his favorite color of blue. Plastic coverings on the furnishings have been added to protect the artifacts.
Do you know Elvis' favorite color was blue?
We hope you've enjoyed your tour of the Lisa Marie airplane. Thanks for coming.
So here we are at Elvis's museum car collection and bikes. Harley Davidson.
Got what, right?
No, it's a hydroglide. Isn't that what it said?
Hydroglide, yeah.
Means that the new hydraulic clutch system, I guess. I like the sound of it. 1956 Cadillac.
He's got air horns under that too. He has fishtails on his.
1975 Super Tri. Super Tri was custom made for Elvis by Ron and Elette.
I like that.
Huh?
Maddie.
That's a Volkswagen track, baby.
Mm-hmm.
It was custom made for him.
Black Hawk. Here's one I like, another Lincoln. 1962 Lincoln Continental. If it was black, it'd be Black Beauty. With suicide doors. Alligator skin roof. Civic Hall. It just keeps going and going and going and going. So we're still walking in Elvis land. If he wasn't so famous, this wouldn't be this big. Well, that's it for the Elvis's day. So you can go check out that video there, that one there, and hit the subscribe button over here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit McStache too. Later.